Greeting. This is Maria Molazadeh and I'm presenting my project on Henrico County Varina Area Library for the CM 7302 Advanced Sustainable Construction course at Louisiana State University. The Varina Area Library, which opened in 2016, is a brand new 43,000 square feet building on a 22-acre site in rural eastern Henrico County, Virginia. The new library replaced the small 6,000 square feet branch that served the Varina County for over 40 years. The library is a two-floor building and it is configured to be a series of 3 pavilions emerging from and cascading down the side toward a protected wetland area. The end of each pavilion is enclosed by expansive glass walls that maximize views. The new library has a variety of indoor and outdoor spaces, including various sized meeting area, reading rooms, conference room, and outdoor plaza, while an overlook of the rural space surrounding the building. There's also an area for teens that is equipped with digital media lab and study rooms for group projects. The children area is downstairs, complete with computer stations, multiple seating for reading, and even a cooking area. Here are some pictures of different spaces in the Varina Library. The design of the library reflects the local culture and the history of the Varina district. The building and material are reminiscent of the agrarian structure that once populated the area, borrowing on the form of a tobacco barn. So we can say firmly rooted in its natural environment and landscape, the library's design was inspired by the community's vernacular, and the project's architects have described the style as rural vernacular. The library's service and secondary functions are located adjacent to the pavilions in lower-scale extensions, structures that reinterpret an addition to a typical utilitarian farm building. Besides several architectural awards that the project received in 2017, Varina Area Library was constructed in accordance with standards set by the USGBC program and it achieved LEED Silver certification, indicating environmentally conscious construction, design, and energy usage. The LEED standard is structured into 7 main categories, including sustainable site, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, material and resources, indoor environmental quality, innovation, and regional priority. The project achieved some scores in each category and finally a single score that described the building performance. Varina Library total score is 54 out of 110 and it achieved LEED Silver certification. I will explain briefly some techniques that are employed in this project in the following slides. First, sustainable sites. As I mentioned before, the 43,000 square feet building is constructed on a 22-acre site. So much of the existing landscape area surrounding the new building were left untouched and over 80% of the site was preserved as green open space and either protected from development. Those that were developed were done so minimally and feature native planting and meadow grasses. Also, building and site lighting were designed to minimize light pollution that might affect nearby properties and the night sky. On the other hand, since the library is located along the Virginia Capitol Bicycle Trail that connects Richmond to Jamestown and Williamsburg, the design team took advantages of this and considered bicycle as an alternative transportation. Therefore, a bicycle storage is provided on site to offer visitors and staffs an option for alternative transportation. Also, we can see showers and changing rooms in the building plan close to entrance area. The library offers more than 200 parking spaces for visitors who prefer to come by car, while as another strategy, preferred parking is provided for low-emitting and fuel-efficient vehicles, such as compacts and hybrids, and for those who carpool to the library. Next, water efficiency category includes reduction of water usage. In Varina Library, potable water is reduced through low-flow plumbing fixtures by nearly 40%, anticipated to save 200,000 gallons of water per year. Moreover, in this project, energy consumption and costs are reduced through the use of high-performance mechanical, electrical, and building systems. Energy-efficient building systems such as building envelope, HVAC, and LED lights were designed to reduce energy use by 35% compared to a building that just meets the building energy code. For material and resources category, I can say both the interior and exterior materials are inspired by those found recurrently in the surrounding community. A variety of building materials include structural steel and metal panels with high recycled contents, regionally quarried sandstone on the building exterior, and bio-based wood paneling and linoleum flooring. Choosing building materials reminiscent of the agricultural structures common to the region, the design of the library blended wood and stone as well as metal roofing and wall panels. The single-element panels are 100% recyclable and meet the requirements for the USGBC. In indoor and environmental quality category, the project received 9 points out of 23. The library interior provides low chemical emitting building material selections to improve indoor air quality. Also in the library, there is a 3D printer device that could easily pollute the indoor environment, but the design team considered exhaust fans that provide mechanical room ventilation and vary their speed based on the temperature in the space. The exhaust fan for the 3D printer automatically turns on and off with the operation of the printer. Finally, the project got 1 point in innovation category due to having a lead accredited professional AP in the project team. So the aforementioned techniques are employed in Varina Library as sustainability techniques. All the scores summed and the project achieved 54 points out of 110 and received a LEED Silver certification. Okay, this is my project presentation on Varina Area Library, and I intend to propose some other techniques to improve the project score and will present them on my proposal. Thank you for your attention.